Iran is burning. Thousands have taken to the street. Khamenei's forces are killing protesters. But the brutal crackdown has failed to stop the anger. By now, you have already heard a lot about what is happening in this Middle Eastern country. But today, I am here to tell you another story. Even as shocking and disturbing visuals flood social media, I am going to turn back the pages of history to another tale. This is the story of a beautiful Iranian princess. A life she never chose. A life spent running from country to country, and an end that came in a London hotel room, thousands of kilometers away from the place she truly belonged. This is the tragedy of Laila Pahlavi. Imagine being born a princess, not the Disney one, a real-life daughter of Iran. Exile replaces castles, fear shrouds safety, loneliness takes over. Laila Pahlavi was the youngest daughter of Mohammad Reza Pahlavi, the last Shah of Iran, and Farah Pahlavi, the former empress. Born in Tehran in 1970, Laila spent her early childhood inside palaces, surrounded by royalty, guided by traditions. Private tutors and privilege described her life. Iran at the time was modernizing fast, and her world blended Persian culture with Western influence. But the protected life didn't last long. Iran erupted in revolution in 1979. Slogans echoed throughout cities. Protesters swarmed the streets, and almost overnight, the monarchy collapsed. The royal family fled the country in a hurry. Laila was just 9 years old when she left Iran, without knowing that she would never return. What followed was a life in exile. The family moved constantly from Egypt to Morocco, then to the United States and Europe. There were constant security threats. Governments were reluctant to host the family for long. Adding to her horrors, Laila's father was battling cancer. Then, in 1980, came another devastating blow. Her father died, and with him died any hope of returning home and the palace she was born into. From the outside, Laila's life still looked comfortable. She studied abroad, lived between the US and Paris, and spoke multiple languages. But reports suggest she was struggling inside. The princess felt lost, as per credible accounts. She was caught between a royal past she could never return to and a present in which she didn't quite belong. As she grew older, Laila battled depression, eating disorder, chronic illness, and became dependent on sleeping pills. She avoided public life, stayed away from politics, and lived quietly far from the spotlight that followed her family. Then came the final tragedy. On June 10, 2001, Princess Laila Pahlavi was found dead in her room at London's Leonard Hotel. She was just 31 years old. Her death was ruled a probable suicide. Even in death, she could not return home. The Iranian princess was buried in Paris, far away from Iran. A princess without a kingdom, a life spent in exile, and a story that still breaks hearts, especially when Iran once again burns on the streets.